We are really excited to have our next guest, someone who's just a tremendous leader within the digital health ecosystem, known as J&J, and it has almost its own ecosystem as well. Someone who's well known to HITLAB and a great partner, Nilesh Wadhwa. Hey, Nilesh, how are you?
I'm doing well, Stan. Can you hear me?
We can hear you. We can't see you.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to switch on the camera. For some reason, it's not starting.
No worries, no worries. Well, while we're waiting for the camera to wake itself up, let's just get like a 30-second bio and background for the audience on who you are and what you do at J&J.
Well, I'm part of J&J Innovation, which, as you know, some of you may know, is a vertical within J&J which supports the whole enterprise for early innovation partnering, and driving early stage innovation. I'm based in Singapore, part of the Asia Pacific Innovation Center, which focuses on curating opportunities from within Asia Pacific region, and of course, partnering with various startups and academic institutes in the region. Apart from this, I also support the Global Lung Cancer Initiative as a Global Early Innovation Partner.
That's fantastic. That's really impressive. And I think that's one of the things that HITLAB, certainly in our research, when you look at the digital innovations that are coming out there, whether it's groups like OneDrop or Click Health, or certainly NuvoCares and others, and you look at the big deals with Propeller Health and things like that, certainly Information Mediary Corporation, these inventions are coming from entrepreneurs. They're coming from startups. And so life sciences right now, the way that they're seeing digital integrated into their portfolios, hospitals, big payer, big provider, big pharma, and certainly big employer. If you look at Transcarent and Livongo before that, they're seeing the integration through partnerships and through licensing and things like that. So, it's obviously an important role that you're playing within J&J. Tell us a little bit about the importance of partnerships in the development and the adoption of digital healthcare within J&J.
I think, J&J, of course, has been, has reimagined health and well-being for more than 130 years. We are the world's oldest and the largest healthcare company, operating across 3 business segments: pharma, medical device, and consumer health. And that makes us pretty unique. And with this, we obviously are faced with the healthcare challenges which all of us are facing, which are more complex than ever. And the bar is quite high to deliver truly transformational innovation. And from our perspective, to continue serving the needs of our customers, who are our patients, we have a relentless focus on innovation. And our scientific officer, Chief Scientific Officer, Dr. Paul Stoffel, said it best: innovation at J&J is about creating strong networks of people who can combine resources, ideas, and technologies in a new way. And this is really what J&J Innovation is all about. This is what drives our philosophy here in J&J Innovation. We all know industry needs entrepreneurs just as much as the entrepreneurs need the industry, and it's just understanding and the commitment to forming mutually beneficial partnerships. That's what makes our approach towards collaboration so meaningful with early stage researchers. And of course, we want to ride the trend, and we are looking at several digital health technologies as well. And you must have seen some such collaborations in the public domain.
Yeah, it's fantastic and really well stated. And thank you for that background as well. And I think, one of the things that certainly the audience would love to know is when you're looking for new partnerships, what are some of the elements and some of the attributes of partnerships that you are looking for?
So in our perspective, the partnership, we believe the partnership between startups and a company like us has to be collaborative. So it needs to be a collaborative approach, and that's the key. We start all our efforts by identifying the unmet healthcare needs and then searching for the best ideas, technologies, partnerships to address those. We believe an idea can come from anywhere. So, we collaborate and co-create at early stages of innovation with multiple inventors and entrepreneurs, scientists, researchers. And we try to bring together J&J's technical and scientific knowledge alongside the expertise that is sitting within our partner organizations to help guide the whole development process. And of course, we're fortunate to have multiple tools at our disposal to help fuel the idea and take it all the way from incubation to maybe sometimes new co-creation, and look at other capital efficient ways to de-risk the opportunity and advance it to really advance the idea to a real product. That's the expertise that J&J brings in.
That's fantastic. And last question, and we'll wrap up for our next trivia question for the biodynamics book. But if you could tell us a little bit more about the really maybe expound upon from your standpoint, from the J&J standpoint, what does it take for a digital health startup these days in innovation to stand out?
I think, to continue serving the needs of the customers, we need to really focus on innovation, and not just incremental innovation. We are looking for transformative innovation, because the medical challenges that we face today are more complex than ever. I mean, we've got, and a lot of it has been, really complicated, become complicated because of COVID. I mean, COVID has really changed the paradigm of how healthcare is delivered, and how we as players can play a role. So we obviously are looking for that high threshold of innovation. And for us, if the level of innovation is too low, it's no longer very interesting, because by the time you bring that solution to the market, it becomes irrelevant because the market has evolved. So we really focus our energies in trying to find that innovation or a partner who has that high level of innovation, very future thinking, and then of course pool our resources to take that idea all the way and advance it to make it a meaningful solution for our patients.
That's fantastic. Well, again, thank you, Nilesh, and a loud round of virtual applause from our audiences around the world. Thank you very much.